warm firelight, footsteps fade in the softest night. Someone leaves a gentle sign, gifts of joy in a simple line. No applause and no one sees, just a heart that loves to ease burdened minds and tired days with surprise in sweetest ways. Quiet giving tender grace, magic in an unseen place. Kindness offered with no claim, love that warms without a name. Stockings waiting by the flame, filled by hands that ask no fame. Every gesture softly shown makes the world feel safe, feel known. When we give with open hearts, light will fill the darkest parts. Blessings come when love is free, moved by pure sincerity. Quiet giving tender grace, magic in